hit the thumbs up, that's a like. Then hit subscribe and hit that bell. And watch my whole video.
Hey! Mr. Smith here, and I got my friends. I got Blue, and I got Huggy Wuggy. I'm just trying to keep them guys apart, because all they want to do is fight. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Stop it, stop it, stop it. So I got my referee outfit on, trying to keep them from fighting. And I'm going to try to show you how you can draw both of them. And this is the fight of the century. This is round 2. Who's going to win? Is it going to be Blue or is it going to be Huggy Wuggy? We got Huggy Wuggy from Poppy's Playtime. We got Blue from Rainbow Friends. Who's going to win? I don't know, but you got to watch my whole video. And if you want to find out where you can get these friends for yourself, just go to the description below and I'll show you a link where you can find out how to get these friends before they start fighting. No, no! I'm gonna hit that Huggy Wuggy. I'm gonna boom, 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 boom. We start out with a circle. Then I look for simple shapes that I can use to block in things. So I use a rectangle for his body. I'm looking at how his arms are. I'm making this big curving line going around for his arms. And then I'm gonna make these oval shapes for his legs, just to block in some very simple shapes. I'm gonna hit that Huggy Wuggy with a left. I'm gonna hit him with a right. I'm gonna kick him. I'm gonna do a karate kick. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get that Huggy Wuggy. He don't know what he's gonna see when he sees Blue. Then after I block in my simple shapes, I go in for Huggy Wuggy and I look for big lines of motion. So I just draw a basic stick figure and then I block in shapes for his head, for his arms, his stomach, legs, body, and then I finally come back in for some details like his eye and his mouth, which are basically ovals. Well, I'm purple and I don't know who's going to win. I don't know if it's going to be Huggy or Blue, but you know I'm Blue's boy, so I'm going to say that Blue's going to win. Here's my buddy Blue. Yeah, Blue, you going to win. I know you're going to win. Yeah, I'm going to win. I'm going to win. I'm going to beat the Huggy Wuggy. Yeah, I'm Blue. I'm going to hit him with the left, hit him right. That's right, you hit him, Blue. Then I come back and I like to work out and smooth out all my details. I got to put my feet in for Huggy Wuggy. They're very simple to do. There's some straight lines, some zigzag lines for his toes, some curving lines, zigzag lines. Then I'm going to make sure everything's nice and smooth. I got to erase any lines that don't. Uh-oh, here come the guys. Here they come. Uh-oh, here comes Huggy Wuggy. He putting his hand out. I wonder what Blue's going to do. Is Blue? Oh, I think they're going to start. No, they're going to start fighting for early. Oh, no. Blue's a little darker blue. Huggy Wuggy is a little bit lighter. I'm going to put some highlights on one side of Huggy Wuggy. And I've already put the yellow in. It's 2 different tones of yellow. A little shade on the left side of Huggy Wuggy. And I'm going to come back and put some more on Blue. I'm Huggy Wuggy. And yeah, Blue thinks he's gonna beat me. We used to be friends, we used to be good friends. But he's not gonna beat me, because I got something for him this time. He got me on the first time, but he's not gonna get me, say? I'm gonna get you, Blue. I've got something for you. I'm coming for you, Blue. Now I'm starting working with some highlight on Blue. Some very light whites. And then I'm gonna blend them in and soften them. Just keep them a little bit sharper, close to the edge, and let them slowly blend in. They give a nice highlight, and then I'm going to throw some shadows on the other side, opposite to where I have the highlights, and that'll give him just a little bit more dimension. And that's just what's needed to make the character really work on this background. They're not getting ready to start yet, but they are starting a little pushing, a little shoving. Uh-oh, what's happening? We got Blue. Oh, Purple's trying to keep him away. But here comes Blue, Huggy Wuggy. Blue, Huggy Wuggy kicked a little bit. No, this is not the fight. This is not the fight yet. The fight is coming. This is not the fight. Get off of him, Blue. Get off of him. The fight is coming.
Yeah, Blue saying he won. Here comes the fight. The fight is getting ready to start now. Get your popcorn. Here we go. Boom, boom. Oh, man, that was quick. That was like the fastest fight in history. And you know what? Huggy win. Now, if you're interested in getting your own Huggy Wuggy and Blue Rainbow Friends, I'm leaving a link in the description where you can get them on Amazon. You can get them real fast and have your very own. You can create your own little play stories with Blue, Huggy Wuggy, or any of the other friends from Poppy's Playtime or Rainbow Friends. And Huggy won.